Nice.
All right, Jimmy, I'm gonna get you this time. 1, 2, 3. Fuck you.
One example that we're seeing take off is fitness. And speaking of that, I think it's time for my workout.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That hood trampoline.
No.
So what kind of what sorry. What
Hold on, Bob's really loud.
But do you love me more than Joe?
Yo, your mom just texted you. What did she say? A chong ching ling ping pong pang ling ling. Very funny, Kyle. Let me see that.
Whoa!
Well, approaching full time, and this is wearing the look of...
I call your mother phone to tell you to My phone been disconnected. What the f you want me to do? Well, I'm pregnant. You tell me what the f you gonna do. Damn, you having 5 babies? No, it's one fucking baby. That's your nose, that's your leg, that's your motherfucking baby, bitch. I'm not even black and white. Motherfucker, that's the ink. This ain't me. Yeah, that's you. That's you. That's you. And what is this? This a what? This is a girl. I can't even have girls. Yes, you can. Hell no, yes, my mama had 5. They say if I have one, we all gonna die.
Everybody wants something special, but no one wants to deal with the emotional toll of Long Brick.
Yo.
I am going to commit great crime. I'm going to bust nut in water tower.
Wonder what he's running under the hood. Damn, big block.
I am single because women don't want a guy that works, pays his own bills, lifts weights, and doesn't drink, smoke, or do drugs. They want a guy, well, sir, I hope you see this. I don't think you're single for the reasons that you think you're single. It's the fashion, sir.
explain this.
Baby, come on.
Calling all guitarists.
Actual life hack. If you save the shrimp from your cup of noodles for a month, you can eat a king's breakfast once a year. God damn.
I can't hear the word he's saying. See an airplane or what? Oh no, he's jumping out of an airplane! F*** off! No! Don't! Ah! Holy sh**! I thought he was in a bus. You're Egypt! Doing a selfie coming down in the airplane.
Agree that tape is probably the best invention ever. I mean, you can tape your door shut, and you can even tape a hole in the wall. You can even tape your phone to the wall.
Oh my god. What cam do I use? I use this cam. How can I show it?
Oh, Bruno! 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 No.
But mostly I'm scared of, I think the dark. Like, the dark just freaks me out. Or, like, definitely...
Hi.
Hello, hello, hello.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Nancy.
Nancy, that's my mom's name.
My dad named me after my great aunt who was a slave.
Shock.
Shoo.
Who's Joe? Oh no!
Joe Mama.
Ah!
Hey guys, how's everything been going?
make the beds, huh?
He just goes from T to T. Oh, it's okay. You're going to do a new set of T's. It's fine.
Meow.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Dude, I'm telling you, gaming is my therapy.
You piece of shit.
I just photographed.
Hey man, do you know how to cut and edit videos? Nah.
Currently at HEB, and there is an escapee.
Howdy, cowboy. How you guys doing? Holy shit.
Nay out, skate a wheel, bud. Eve boy it, set raw week. Ipanamalek, yek yazde. East Fay EDCBA. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Why no my ABCs? Next time on you sing with me.
That's awesome.
Oh my god.